There's something truly comforting about a warm bowl of beef stroganoff. Is it the tender, flavorful beef? Maybe it's the creamy, savory sauce coating every bite. Or perhaps it's the versatility of this classic dish, perfect for a weeknight family dinner or a special occasion. Whatever the reason, beef stroganoff holds a special place in our hearts and on our tables. Today, we're diving into my favorite recipe, a dish packed with flavor and simple to make. Get ready for a culinary adventure that will warm your kitchen and your soul. Before we embark on our cooking journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the art of preparation. Let's gather our symphony of flavors, each ingredient playing its part in this culinary orchestra. Here's what you'll need to create this culinary masterpiece. The key to a successful dish is having everything ready and within reach. For the beef and sauce, we start with the star of the show, the beef. 1.5 pounds of beef sirloin cut into thin strips. 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor. Half a teaspoon of black pepper for a hint of spice. 2 tablespoons of olive oil to sauté our ingredients. 1 large onion chopped finely. 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms sliced to perfection. 2 cloves of garlic minced to release their aromatic essence. Half a cup of dry white wine to deglaze the pan and add depth. 2 cups of beef broth for richness, 1 cup of sour cream for creaminess, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick, and finally, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley to garnish and add a burst of color. For serving, we have 2 delightful options. Egg noodles cooked according to package directions, providing a classic base for our dish, or mashed potatoes for a hearty twist, offering a comforting and satisfying alternative. Enjoy the symphony of flavors in every bite. Our culinary journey begins with the star of the show, the beef. Selecting the right cut is crucial for achieving the best results. We want tender, flavorful bites that melt in your mouth. The key to this is proper preparation and cooking techniques. Start by cutting the sirloin against the grain into thin strips. This method helps to break down the tough muscle fibers, making each bite more tender. This helps break down the tough muscle fibers, ensuring a tender result. The thinner the strips, the quicker and more evenly they will cook. Season the beef generously with salt and pepper, awakening its natural flavors. You can also add other spices or herbs to enhance the taste even further. Now let's heat things up. Preheating the pan is essential for achieving a perfect sear. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. The oil should be hot enough to shimmer but not smoke. Once the oil is shimmering, add the beef strips in a single layer. Avoid overcrowding the pan to ensure even cooking. We want a nice sear on each side, creating a beautiful crust that locks in the juices. This caramelization adds a depth of flavor that is simply irresistible. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of your strips. This will give you a perfect medium rare to medium doneness. Then transfer the beef to a plate and set it aside. Letting the beef rest allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is juicy and flavorful. Building the base sautéed mushrooms and onions. With the beef resting, the stage is set for our aromatic base. In the same skillet, add the chopped onions and sauté them over medium heat for about 5 minutes, or until they soften and turn translucent. Then, add the sliced mushrooms and minced garlic. Continue cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the mushrooms to release their earthy flavors and brown slightly. The creamy soul crafting the perfect stroganoff sauce. This sauce is the heart of the dish, bringing together rich flavors and a velvety texture that makes stroganoff so beloved. Now, for the soul of our dish, the creamy savory sauce. It's what gives stroganoff its signature taste and luxurious feel. Pour the dry white wine into the skillet, making sure to use a good quality wine as it will enhance the overall flavor. Scraping up any browned bits from the bottom. These browned bits, also known as fond, are essential for adding a deep, rich flavor to the sauce. These little bits are packed with flavor and are the secret to a truly delicious stroganoff. And add depth to our sauce. Stirring them into the wine helps to deglaze the pan and incorporate all those wonderful flavors. Let the wine cook for a minute or two, allowing it to reduce slightly and intensify in flavor, allowing the alcohol to evaporate. This step is crucial as it ensures the sauce isn't too sharp from the wine. Next, pour in the beef broth, stirring to combine. The broth adds a savory base that complements the wine and browned bits. Bring the mixture to a simmer, letting it gently bubble. And let it cook for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. In a separate bowl, prepare the final touch for our sauce. Whisk together the sour cream and Dijon mustard until smooth. This mixture will add a tangy and creamy element to the sauce, and Dijon mustard until smooth. Make sure there are no lumps for a perfectly creamy texture. This tangy mixture will add a delightful creaminess to our sauce. Pour it into the skillet and stir well to combine, ensuring the sauce is smooth and luscious. Bringing it all together, simmering to perfection. It's time to reunite our beef with the flavorful sauce. Gently return the cooked beef strips to the skillet along with any accumulated juices. Reduce the heat to low and let the stroganoff simmer for about 10 minutes. This allows the beef to soak up all the wonderful flavors of the sauce, creating a symphony of tastes in every bite. Serving your masterpiece, a culinary delight. Our beef stroganoff is ready to be enjoyed. Serve this comforting dish over a bed of fluffy egg noodles, allowing them to soak up the creamy sauce. For a heartier meal, try serving it with creamy mashed potatoes. Sprinkle with fresh parsley for a pop of color and freshness. And there you have it, a rich, creamy, and absolutely delicious beef stroganoff that's sure to become a family favorite. Whether it's for a cozy weeknight dinner or a special occasion, this dish brings warmth and comfort to every bite. Give it a try and let me know how much you loved it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious meals coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking!